Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus Eclipse for Java development. We'll dive into their core functionalities, evaluating how each handles common Java tasks. We'll also look at their performance characteristics, considering factors like startup time and resource usage. Finally, we'll explore the breadth of their extension ecosystems and community support, helping you make an informed decision about which integrated development environment best fits your workflow and project requirements. When it comes to features, VS Code offers a sleek, modern interface, making it incredibly user-friendly for quick edits and diverse language support. Its marketplace boasts thousands of extensions, allowing for extensive customization. Eclipse, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for Java, providing deep integration with build tools like Maven and Gradle and offering advanced refactoring capabilities. While its interface can feel more traditional, its comprehensive toolset is invaluable for large-scale enterprise applications. Regarding performance, VS Code typically boasts faster startup times and a lighter memory footprint, often consuming around 200 to 500 megabytes of RAM for a moderate Java project. This makes it ideal for systems with limited resources or for developers who prefer a snappier experience. Eclipse, while powerful, can be more resource-intensive, potentially using over 1 gigabyte of RAM for complex enterprise applications. Its comprehensive features come with a trade-off in terms of system demands, especially during compilation and indexing of large codebases. Both VS Code and Eclipse benefit from vibrant communities and extensive extension ecosystems. VS Code's marketplace offers a broad spectrum of tools, making it versatile for various development tasks, not just Java. Eclipse, however, has a deeply entrenched and mature ecosystem specifically for Java, with robust support for enterprise frameworks and build systems. Ultimately, the choice between them hinges on your project's scale, your personal workflow preferences, and whether you prioritize a lightweight, customizable editor or a comprehensive, feature-rich integrated development environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.